Kitchen 101. Classic bar drinks never go out of style, but putting a fun twist on those classics is a current trend that just keeps growing. And we've got 2 recipes that show you how. First, we've taken the classic whiskey sour and turned it into a honey-kissed bourbon. Honey is dissolved in warm water for a more delicious take on a simple syrup. Blend it with bourbon, lemon juice, and finish it with a dash of bitters for a drink with just a touch of sweetness. Now, the martini is a classic before-dinner cocktail, so we gave it a complete about-face by turning it into a dessert-worthy chocolate raspberry martini. Start by drizzling chocolate syrup on the inside of a martini glass. Combine chocolate liqueur, raspberry liqueur, and vanilla vodka into a cocktail shaker. Shaking a cocktail with ice allows for a perfectly chilled drink that doesn't get watered down as you sip. Garnish with a few raspberries, and you're done. Why not drink your dessert? See you next time.